photographs, and leave it as you found it. Canon know-how. Ford Motor Company. Some people work every day to make the world a better place. Ford Motor Company's Heroes for the Planet is a program developed to celebrate them and all the good that they do. And by TIAA-CREF, a long-time provider of products and services to support everyone's ever-expanding financial needs. TIAA-CREF, ensuring the future for those who shape it. This program was also made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
This is where we were born.